Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at how to change the cases of text in Excel. So we'll be looking at how you can change text from uppercase to lowercase, lowercase to uppercase, or sentence case in whichever way. Meaning changing letters from capital letters to small letters to capital letters, and in sentence case as well. So let's look at how to go about it. Take with me. Okay, so I have some data on my screen, and I want to change some of my text into a certain format. So for example, I have country. I want all the names of the countries to be in capital letters or uppercase. So what I can do is that I will insert a blank column. So I right click on the column heading of B and click on insert. It gives me a new space. So what I do is that let me start from this place. So Poland. So I'll type this function is equal to upper. Is equal to upper. Upper means uppercase. Then I will click on the text. So I have the cell that has that text. When I finish, I can close, press enter. Now it will give me the name in capital letters. So forget about the colors. The colors that appeared, it was because I had initially applied conditional formatting to it. So we can just go and remove the conditional formatting. So let me remove all this. So remove rules so that I don't have this appear. So sorry for that. Okay, so it has changed the text into uppercase for me or capital letters for me. So notice that if I should delete this, let me bring this country, copy this country, paste it here. Okay. So I can decide to delete this. Let's see what happens. So when I delete this, you notice that it's giving me error reference because where it is looking for the value to transform to capital letters is not found. So what I'll do is before you delete the original one, you make sure that you copy this one. So you copy this one. Then at the same place, you paste. So when you paste, you notice that there's no formulas in there again. So initially it used to be formulas. For example, initially it used to be this. When I click on it, you see the formulas that you applied is there. So in order to free yourself from the formulas, okay, so that you only paste the values. As long as the formulas are in the cells, when you delete the original text, it's going to give you those errors. So you highlight, you copy, then you paste by value. You paste by value. So a paste by value, it gives you only the value. So you can now delete this without any effect. So now I've deleted that column. Sorry, I'll delete that column. Instead of delete the column, I'll delete that column. So when I delete it, this one turns to values. Then let's assume I have this random text here. Let's insert another uh, column. So insert. I want to convert these cells into proper case, meaning that sentence case. I'll capitalize each word, the first letter of each word. Okay, so I'll type is equal to proper. So use the proper function. So it's equal to proper. Then I'll click on the cells, the cell that I'm interested in. So you see that it's picking the value from the adjacent cell. So I'll press enter. Then I'll use the autofill. Okay. So you notice that it has changed it to the first letters of each word has been capitalized. So we have what? iCloud, the I is capital, Google, the J is capitalized. Okay. So this one too, if you want to maintain this text, what you do is that you copy and paste the same place at the same place with the values. Then you can now delete the old one. So I'll delete it. Okay, so that is how you use the proper case and the uppercase. No. So if you want to change, let's say for some reason I want to change the text in column A towards small letters, what I'll do is that I'll insert a new, and this time around I'll start from cell B2. So I'll press equal to, I want to lowercase, meaning that what small letters. So lower is equal to lower. Can use the tab key to complete your function. So then I'll select the cell that I'm interested in. I'll press enter. Then I'll use the autofill. I'll double click. So it will apply all the functions for me. And then so it changes each of the countries. And I can just copy, paste here so that it become part of it. So now, as usual, the functions are still here. So if I delete column A, everything will tend to what error. So I'll copy, then I'll paste by value. So now I have this one there. Then I'll delete. Okay. So this is how you can change the cases in Excel. So in our next tutorials, we'll be looking at other relevant functions. So if you have not subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can always get updates whenever I post. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.